Hello, welcome to Andersen English. Today we're going to look at double consonant vowel pairs, THR plus vowel sound sets, both long and short sounds. Please remember to do the homework that goes along with this video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Long sounds. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Thray, 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 thrave, thrave. Short sounds. Thra, thret, thrit, throt, thra. Thra, thret, thrit, throt, thra. Thra, 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 thra. Thrash, thrash. Long sounds. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Three, 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 three. Short sounds. Thra, thret, thrit, throt, thra. Thra, thret, thrit, throt, thra. Threat, 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 threat. Long sounds. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Thry, 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 thrive, thrive. Short sounds. Throt, thret, thrit, throt, throt. Throt, thret, thrit, throt, throt. Thrit, 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 thrit. Thrifty, thrifty. Long sounds. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Throw, 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 throw. Throw, throw. Short sounds. Throt, thret, thrit, throt, throt. Throt, thret, thrit, throt, throt. Throt, 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 throt. Throng, throng. Long sounds. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Thray, three, thry, throw, through. Through, 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 through. Through, through. Short sounds. Throt, thret, thrit, throt, throt. Throt, thret, thrit, throt, throt. Throt, 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 throt. Thrust, thrust. Thank you for watching Andersen English videos. I hope you enjoyed the program. And once again, thank you. And bye for now. Take care.